folks, Adam here, comparing and contrasting this DEWALT air compressor with this Eaton Wolf air compressor. Now both are fantastic devices from premier brands and really fantastic. But there are a few things that stand out that give one the advantage over the other. Now I will note that the Eaton Wolf does come with a handy carrying bag, and we'll show that in the up close portion of the video. But a pretty big advantage of having the carrying bag that we can carry all of your stuff with you. Now, when it comes to the batteries, I do like that the Eaton Wolf has the built-in battery. The DEWALT has that detachable battery that goes with all the DEWALT tools, but you're gonna have to get that separately, which can be a significant change, okay? Now, on top of that, I really do like, here's this big screen by the Eaton Wolf, changing the mode, big fat buttons, and the wheel for changing here. By contrast, a smaller screen, smaller buttons, and a little bit more difficult to intuitively figure out the mode. There's to blow air, there's not, and then you just scroll your PSI here versus this. Now, comparing, you have a rubberized handle, a plastic handle, and both have an LED light. But if you're comparing the lights, a significant difference here. The LED light on the DEWALT, very small. The light here on the Eaton Wolf, significantly larger and brighter. So if you're looking at that, all your modes, your SOS mode and everything, very nice. And then when you're looking at this, pretty much just on and off. Now you've got your compartment here to recharge. The Eaton Wolf is USB-C, so that's the standard across the board for pretty much anything. And if you have a USB-C charging your phone in your car or anywhere in your house, this is going to work. So no special plugs are required for this one right here. Now, overall, both very sturdy, good looking, easy to use, lightweight products. So we're gonna go ahead and test them out and kick it off right about now. So our first test, we're gonna show the amperage. Now the amperage on the Vortex S6, 15 amps. The higher the amps, the more power running through it, meaning more powerful. And then the DEWALT Air Inflator is 10 amps. So a significantly more powerful device when you're comparing apples and apples, the same thing right here. I also like that over here, you've got your connectors, say for pool floats, for basketball, things of the sort, all built into the device. I think that's very handy. And this one built into the device over here. So no significant change, just in placement. And you've got the in and out for your air inflator, which in the up close portion of the video, I may have stated incorrectly. You've got the in and the out, the in and the out, etc. Very nice. All right, so you can see the DEWALT has this type of connector. You'll see in a moment that I do favor the other one's quick connect, just clips on. The DEWALT is showing the air pressure in my tires, and then I can change the desired PSI by rotating right here. We'll go to 35. And turn it on. Oop. Little tricky there. 35 and turn it on. All right, by contrast, we have this one. We can easily adjust the pressure. And that is pretty nice there, 34 and a half, 36, very precise, and very straightforward. Now I do like this quick connect a lot more, you just snap it on. And the elapsed time was literally over a minute less. I'm not sure how, because the DEWALT took so long to do a similar amount of air. but literally maybe a minute, minute and a half less to inflate with this product. Much faster. So folks, we also tested the pressure when refilling from this with our pool floats, and guess what? The pool floats inflated in less than half the time of the DEWALT. I truly expected the experience to be much different than the actual results. I thought they would be much closer, but when it comes to brightness of the light, this guy, the Vortex S6 is a huge advantage. When it comes to how fast it is to pump up your tires, minutes difference. When it comes to pool floats, less than half the time. And, you know, we can look at the stats, but 15 amps versus 10 amps, a more powerful battery, and quicker recharge time. So really fantastic stuff. Folks, go check it out. A resounding nod to this. The Vortex is fantastic. Now stick around for the up-close portion of the video where we do the unbox. And don't forget, you get the carrying bag as well. Folks, let's go ahead and check out the up-close Eaton Wolf Air Compressor Vortex S6 Series Tough Tools Redefined with all their information. 100 lumen LED battery. That's nice. Zooming in here, we have the high volume hose, the high pressure hose, the air chuck, the compressor, the manual, charger, 45 watt, and the USB-C cable. All right. We'll open it up this way, old school style. Zoom out so you can join me. See, they've packed it in here, a little bit of material to make sure that it survives the shipment. Little styrofoam on the sides, plastic bag to keep it from getting dusty. And nice, they do contain, it's contained in a very nice carrying box. Okay, give you a better look at that. Very nice, right? Tough Tools Redefined. Yeah, now, going around the bag, you can see thick stitching and a big, high quality, big teeth on that zipper, which I do appreciate. Why even put a zipper if you're gonna put a tiny little tooth zipper? All right, inside again, packed for your protection. You do have for your valve stems, charging, and USB-C Charlie. That's the preferred method of charging that has been agreed upon internationally. Inside, see there's a little pocket on the inside. I'll move the styrofoam out of the way. Little pocket, and of course your user manual and your quick guide, all included. Now, snapping into the back, there's your fill and this is gonna be for sports balls like basketballs, everything you need there. The quality hose, the hose nose, and you can see the start, stop with an LED screen. Let's zoom in on that. And let's go ahead and check this out. All right. Beautiful stuff, huh? Great brand. Button for the light, easy press button for that LED light. Woo, extra bright. Strobe light effect, probably the S to the O to the S. Changing your mode. Car, truck, recreational vehicle, ball, air, bike. Very nice. And the units, I like PSI personally. You can change it how you need it. They've rubberized the handle to make sure that that's nice. Zoom out so Matt can get a good thumbnail there. Very nice. Let me show a straight on of it. Beautiful. That's a nice thumbnail there. Got the wheel to adjust. That's pretty cool. And look how high the PSI goes up. Most won't do that, huh? Most will not do that. All right, so if you're looking for something that's absolutely fantastic, seems like they've just got a great device here and a great design. Designed for me and you and me, you and I and yourself. So if you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, this has got you covered. And look at this, this will come right here. You can put that high pressure in there. And yeah, for those of you who are really looking to inflate and not be late, guess what? This is fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. Probably a brass fitting, I would assume. That's nice. I'm probably just going to leave that on there because that's what I'm going to use it for the most. And on the back, watertight backing there. So I assume that I've just done a good job of making this to where it's safe in all weather conditions. And here you can see you've got an in and out. Very nice. I'll use this actually to clean off dust and debris from my workshop. Where's the out? In and out. I assume it's going to be that one. And yeah, I look forward to getting a little high pressure air, clean things out. Very nice. All right, folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you. But if your question is this a Premier product? The answer is a resounding yes. Goodbye, my friends.